What if I told you that the secret to attracting women doesn't rely on your looks, wealth, or social status? Instead, the real key to becoming irresistible lies in just 3 simple words. Yes, only 3 words. These aren't magic spells or tricks. They're grounded in timeless wisdom, principles rooted in Stoic philosophy, and the art of human connection. When spoken with the right intention and energy, these words have the power to completely shift the way women perceive and interact with you. Think about this. In a world where so many people try to impress with shallow displays, what truly makes a person stand out: authenticity, depth, intention. These 3 words are more than phrases. They're tools that reflect who you are at your core. They communicate confidence, understanding, and respect. They show you're not just another person seeking attention, but someone truly worth noticing. By the end of this video, you'll know what these words are and how to use them effectively. I'll explain their meaning, why they're so impactful, and how to apply them in everyday conversations to leave a lasting impression. Whether you want to strengthen an existing relationship, attract someone special, or simply improve your communication skills, stick with me. What you're about to learn has the potential to change everything. These 3 words may seem simple, but their impact is extraordinary. Once you master them, you'll see that attracting women isn't about saying more. It's about saying the right thing at the right time, with authenticity and purpose. Before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you'll always be updated when we release new content, ready to uncover the 3 words. Let's get started. Number 1, appreciate. The first word, appreciate, is a game changer. It's simple yet incredibly powerful because it conveys gratitude and acknowledgement. In a world where interactions often feel rushed or shallow, taking the time to express genuine appreciation sets you apart. Why? Because everyone wants to feel seen and valued. Saying "I appreciate" isn't just about throwing words around, it's about truly recognizing someone's qualities, actions, or efforts. For women, this can be especially meaningful. It's not about flattery. It's about being real and showing you've noticed the little things that matter. Appreciation also strengthens emotional bonds. Psychology shows that gratitude builds stronger connections. When people feel appreciated, they're more likely to trust, open up, and form deeper relationships. For women, it signals that you see and value who they are. However, sincerity is key. If your appreciation isn't genuine, it won't have the desired effect. Be specific. Instead of vaguely saying, "I appreciate that," explain what and why. For example, "I appreciate how passionate you are about your work. It's inspiring to see someone so dedicated." Number 2, understand. The second word, understand, holds immense power for building rapport. It's not just about hearing someone, it's about connecting with their perspective. Empathy is one of the most attractive traits a man can have, and understand beautifully demonstrates it. Women want to feel heard and validated. Saying "I understand" shows that you're genuinely interested in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It's about emotional intelligence, recognizing and validating her emotions without judgment. During conflicts, understand can be transformative. Saying "I understand where you're coming from. Let's figure this out together" diffuses tension and shows maturity. Women are drawn to men who make them feel safe to express themselves. Number 3, commit. The third word, commit, signals decisiveness and reliability. It's not just about making promises, it's about keeping them. Commitment reflects strength of character, a trait women deeply respect. When you say "I commit," you show you're serious about your intentions. Whether it's committing to honesty or investing in the relationship, it reassures her you're not just playing games. Commitment builds trust, and trust forms the foundation of deeper connections. When you follow through on your commitments, she sees you as dependable and trustworthy, qualities that make you stand out, putting it all together. Appreciate, understand, and commit are more than words. They're expressions of authenticity, values, and your ability to connect deeply. Timing, delivery, and intention elevate these words from mere phrases to tools of connection and attraction. Use them thoughtfully, align them with your actions, and watch how they transform your relationships. These words don't just apply to romantic interactions, they're valuable in every meaningful connection. Now it's time to act. Use these words in your conversations and see how they make a difference. If this video resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Like it, Share it and let us know in the comments which word you're most excited to try. Subscribe to stay updated, and remember, I'm 100 Quotes, and I'll see you in the next video.